In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write off an invoice on Xero. Whether you're managing the finances for a small business or simply keeping track of your personal transactions, learning how to efficiently manage invoices in Xero can save you both time and stress. So let's dive in and get started on this step-by-step guide. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Sales section. Once you're logged into your Xero account, take a look at the main menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see several options related to your financial activities. Click on Sales. This is your gateway to managing all the invoices, quotes, and orders your business handles. Now that you're in the Sales section, move on by selecting Sales Overview. This area gives you a comprehensive view of all your sales activities. It's a handy snapshot of everything that's going on with your invoices, allowing you to keep a bird's-eye view of your financial flow. Within this section, we're specifically interested in monitoring the invoices that are still waiting for payment. Next, you'll notice an option called Awaiting Payments. Clicking on Awaiting Payments allows you to drill down into the invoices that are still outstanding. This is a crucial step because it helps you identify exactly which invoices need attention, preventing any potential cash flow issues from overlooked payments. Once you've clicked on Awaiting Payments, you'll see a list of invoices that are yet to be settled. Here, choose any invoice that you wish to write off or apply a credit to. It's important to select the correct invoice, so take a moment to verify the details and ensure it's the one you intend to adjust. After selecting your invoice, look out for the three dots icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options on invoice actions. These options are designed to simplify more advanced functions you might need, including creating and applying credits. To proceed, click on Create and Apply Credit. This function is essential for writing off an invoice. What it essentially does is allow you to reduce the amount owed on this invoice. It automatically adjusts your financial records to account for the credit, ensuring your accounts remain accurate and up to date. Once you've clicked on Create and Apply Credit, you'll need to review the details of this credit application carefully. Make sure all the information is accurate and correctly reflects what you intend to adjust. This is important because any discrepancies require additional corrections later on, which might complicate your financial reporting. Finally, when you're satisfied with all the details, go ahead and click Approve. This final step will finalize the credit application process, effectively writing off the invoice. Once approved, your financial reports will update to show the adjustment, making sure everything aligns perfectly in Xero. And there you have it. That's how you efficiently write off an invoice on Xero. Keep practicing these steps, and you'll find managing your invoicing in Xero becomes easier and second nature. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials.